Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn English grammar, chapter 7 pronouns. Do you know what is pronoun? The words that come in place of nouns are called pronouns. And which are the words that used as pronouns? The words I, we, you, he, she, it, and they are pronouns. And let's see when do we use these pronouns in the sentence. We use I to talk about myself, and you is used to talk to the person we are talking to. He is used to talk about a boy. She is used to talk about a girl. They used to talk about many people. We used to talk about myself and some others. It is used to talk about an animal, a baby, or a thing. And why do we use pronouns in the sentences? To avoid the repetition of nouns. So look at the sentences given in exercise A. This is Tom. Tom is Suma's cat. So which word is repeated here? Tom. So to avoid that repetition, we use it in the place of Tom. It is the name of a cat. This is Tom. It is Suma's cat. And next one, Uma goes to the market. Uma buys a pair of shoes. Here the noun Uma is repeated. To avoid the repetition, we use the pronoun she instead of Uma. In third sentence, you can see the noun the crows are repeated. So in the place of crows, we use the pronoun they. Here the crows means more than one, so we use the plural pronoun they. Then in fourth sentence, the nouns father, mother, Suma and I are the nouns that repeated. Here we use the pronoun we in the place of repeated nouns. We are going for a picnic. Fifth sentence, the nouns Mohit and Manisha are repeated. So we use the pronoun they instead of Mohit and Manisha in the second sentence. Then in sixth sentence, the noun Kunal is repeated. Kunal is the name of a boy. So we use the pronoun he. Then in seventh sentence, the noun students are repeated. Students means more than one person, so we use the pronoun they instead of students. Then in last sentence, the noun animals are repeated. Again, it's a plural noun, so we use the pronoun they. So hope you understood this exercise. Then look at the exercise B. Read the given sentences. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Here you have to check whether the subject is male or female or singular or plural. Then use the suitable pronoun in the second sentence. My uncle has bought a new car. Dash is blue in color. So what is blue in color? Car. So car is a thing, so we use the pronoun it. Raki is my cousin. Dash lives in Lucknow. Raki is name of a girl, so we use the pronoun she. Vijay and I are friends. Dash go to the same school. In this sentence, the subjects are Vijay and I. Here we use the pronoun we because it talks about myself and my friend. Then fourth sentence, Raju, I am looking for Shalini. Do you know where Dash is? In this sentence, somebody is asking Raju about Shalini, and Shalini is the name of a girl, so we use the pronoun she. And next sentence, I saw the pens on the table. Where are Dash now? Here we use the pronoun they for pens. Next one, the batsman played well. Dash helped us win the match. Here, who helped us win the match? Batsman. Batsman also plural noun, so we use the pronoun they. Seventh one, the dog that lives in front of my home is loved by all. Dash is very friendly. So who is very friendly? The dog. So dog is singular noun, so we use the pronoun it. Last one, my friends came for my birthday party. Dash gave me nice gift. Who gave me nice gift? My friends. Friends are plural noun here, so we use pronoun they. So children, hope you understood the usage of pronouns in the sentences. Please do the exercises carefully. We will continue the same chapter in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.